Using Park Assist inside of the Cadillac Optiq is a very straightforward process. In order to use it, just going to hop into the infotainment system. You can look at the hot button push here to do it, or under controls, there's Auto Park Assist. So you're going to tap that, and the vehicle can both help out with entering and exiting a parking space for parallel and for perpendicular. So right now, what I want to do is I want to go ahead and show you how let's go perpendicular Park Assist works first, and we're going to look at spaces along the right-hand side. So all you're going to do is follow the directions on the screen. So just going to start driving, and drive nice and slow so that it's able to look around you to see what spaces are available. You can keep on driving, so you don't have to take any space that's open. You can just keep on going until you find a spot that you're okay with. And I'm looking perpendicular on the right side. So there are a few spaces here. There we go. And from here, you can see the space there, so you can park in the vehicle or keep looking. So let's go ahead and park. Hands off the steering wheel, feet off the gas and the brake right now. And it's doing everything for me. So it's backing me up beautifully right now, nice and slow. You know that the system's actively enabled because you can see the steering wheel is green and the system's actively working too. So that's a good indication that this is happening, but it's doing everything. So controlling the gas, the brake, the steering wheel, it's parking me into this spot beautifully. And you can see all of the sensors there are active, and it's got a little countdown timer letting us know, and it's got us in park, and the Park Assist system is now complete, and the actual parking job that it's done here is great. Using the parallel parking system is the exact same process. So all you're going to do is tap on the icon there, and I want it to look for parallel park along the right-hand side. And you've got to go nice and slow in order for it to be able to pick up spaces, but just keep on driving until it finds a space that you're comfortable with. Once it finds one, there you go. And you can either keep looking or park in vehicle, hands off the steering wheel, feet off the gas and the brake. And again, it's doing everything for you. So it's controlling the gas, it's controlling the brake, it's utilizing all of the sensors. Now, realistically, could you do this faster than what the car's doing it? Yeah, of course, but at the same time, having the vehicle do everything for you, fantastic, especially if you've got any sort of mobility issue. But helps out with parallel perpendicular parking, and it is a fairly quick process. You can see all the countdown timers going, letting you know how close or far it is in between the different steps here. And look at that, backing me up a little bit to kind of get me a little bit more balanced, and we're set to go. And look at the job that it did in this parallel parking space. The car also has the option for a parallel park out. All you're going to do is tap the Auto Park Assist, and then same idea, can help out with either parallel or perpendicular park in or out. So same idea, it's like perpendicular park. It's just as easy to do it yourself, so just drive. All it would do is back you up enough so that it can crank the steering wheel, and then just drive forward. Nice and simple. But that's how you use the Park Assist system inside of the Cadillac Optiq.